Hey guys, Jesse Helmendahler with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Today we're going to talk about the thoracic spine. You may have heard of the thoracic spine or the T-spine, and that's something that, let's just talk about what in the heck the thoracic spine is. So you have your spine, you have your cervical spine, which is up here. Your thoracic spine is basically your mid to upper back all through here. And so what we see a lot of times, you want to go and round for me, Andrew, that we sit in this rounded position, whether we're sitting down, we're slouching, you're texting, we're just in this position all the time, we're at a computer. And so we get drawn in here really tight through the pecs, the scalenes, these muscles of the neck get really tight. And so what we're always trying to do is get the shoulder blades back and down. One cue is you take your right shoulder blade, put it into your back left pocket, left shoulder blade into your right back pocket, shoulder blades back and down. But why do we keep talking about the thoracic spine? Sometimes the thoracic spine, and because we get so rounded here, gets stuck here, even frozen, just really junky. And when we go to do movements that are either like behind, your hand behind your body or overhead, if we're in this stuck position, then we try to go overhead, we're very limited. So when you hear us talking about the thoracic spine or the T-spine, we're just talking about kind of this middle to upper back area and all the musculature that's related to it. And the key point here is that when in doubt, we want the shoulder blades back and down, drawing left scapula to the right back pocket, right scapula to the left back pocket. There's other exercises that we can do, but just from a postural standpoint, that's what we're looking to do. Shoulder blades back and down, clean up your thoracic spine.